यह क्वेश्चन 2019 में सब्जेक्टिव सेक्शन में आया था और मार्क्स था 10। लेकिन इंटरनेट में ये क्वेश्चन मैंने ढूंढा था, इसका आंसर ढूंढा था और मुझे मिला नहीं था, तो मैंने ही एक कोशिश किया और आप ही देखना ये सही है कि नहीं है। और अगर कोई चीज़ इंक्लूड करने के सोच रहे थे आप और लगा कि ये इसमें नहीं है, तो आप प्लीज़ इसमें इंक्लूड कर दीजिए इन कमेंट सेक्शन में। एक फ़ोटोग्राफ की एप्रिसिएशन बहुत तरीके से किया जा सकता है और मेरे जो तरीका है वो आपके तरीके से अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन ये सब्जेक्टिव है, सो हर एक तरीका सही है। क्रिटिकल एप्रिसिएशन करने के पहले हमें जानना चाहिए कि एप्रिसिएशन का मतलब क्या होता है। एक ये मतलब ये होता है कि फीलिंग और एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ एडमिरेशन, अप्रूवल और ग्रेटिट्यूड। अदर मीनिंग ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन इज जजमेंट और इवैल्यूएशन, स्पेशली ए फेवरेबल क्रिटिकल एस्टिमेट। सो वी हैव टू बी अ जज, अ क्रिटिक, व्हिच इज़ डिफिकल्ट, बट टू मेक इट सिंपल ऐसे करते हैं कि इसमें जो डिटेल्स है उसको हम देखेंगे और उसके संबंधित जो इम्प्लीकेशन होता है और जो मीनिंग होता है वो हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। This is an amazing black and white photograph of a man playing veena seated on ground under open sky and a huge rock on the left side on the photograph. Four men at a very long distance between the player and the rock are walking almost in a queue towards left. Here you need to mention the veena because it proves that along with photography you know other art form as well. Now look at the composition of the photograph. If you apply the basic composition rule of the photography, that is rule of third, you will see that the rock is confined at the left portion of the photograph and the veena player is placed on the vertical line at the right side and under the lower horizontal line, whereas the huge rock on the left side is balanced by the veena player. This is the contrast and the beauty of the photograph. A small figure is balancing a huge rock. This signifies the power or importance of the music or the player. In other way, you can say that the rock is balanced by the clouds on the right hand side. The pure white cloud in the background forms a triangular shape and also resembles mountain. It also separates the player from background and also enhances the beauty. The photograph can also be seen as the huge rock is a symbol of stagnant, static or calm and heavy, whereas the nature, people in the background and raga itself are dynamic in nature and creates a contrast between the stagnant, static and dynamic. At the same time, both are complementary with each other. The photograph has been clicked from a little lower angle and the horizon is kept under the lower horizontal line, which is a good way of composing landscape. Horizon line should be under the lower horizontal line or above the upper horizontal line. It should not be go through the middle of a photograph. It appears as a clear sunny day and most probably it's autumn. The shadow of the nose on the left side and the light on the right portion of the rock indicates that it is either early morning or early afternoon. Now, how can we say whether it is morning or evening? In map convention, right side of a page is east, left is west, upper side is north and lower side is south. Now, since light is coming from the right side of the photograph, as per the map convention, we can say that it is east. So, we can say that it is morning. In another convention of cinematography, it is said that when people moves toward right of the screen or east, it assumes that he is moving away from the home, and when a people moves towards left of the screen, it assumes that he or she is returning home. Now, in this case, four men are walking towards left of the photograph, so it may be they are returning from work. Therefore, it should be evening. So, between these two contradictory conventions, what should we choose, morning or evening? Now, look at the background of the photograph. The clear sky and the beautiful white clouds suggest that it is morning. This type of clouds appear in morning only. One more thing to notice is that the player is seated on ground, and this creates the very inner relationship of the art with nature. Thanks for watching. Feel free to add your views in the comment section.